Hey, it's Rob from the Doormaker. Today I'm going to show you how to measure for your side panel or gable onto the side of your cabinets. First thing you want to do is measure our width. So our width is 23.5. Now you want to add 7/8 of an inch to that to cover up the side profile of the door. So your actual width would be 24 3/8. Next thing you want to do is measure your height. And we measure from the floor to the top of the cabinet. Therefore your height would be 34.5 inches. Alright, so next I'll show you how to install your side panel. First thing you want to do is pre-drill a few holes for your screws. You can go ahead and do the same thing at the back. We'll slide it into place. Attach it with a few screws. One thing to keep in mind is when you're ordering your side panels, to order them finished on both sides. That's how you install your side panels.